out there, today is going to be a very special, easy day. I'm going to have a screwdriver. And Karen's going to have iced coffee with Bailey's, Kahlua, and a dash of cream, and maybe some whipped cream topping. So here we go. I'm almost done. Now you got to add some vodka. Now, this is a pretty big glass, as you can see. Look how big it is. And I'm going to put vodka in. Whoa! It's more than a half a glass of vodka. Yeah, vodka, fill me up, guys. Vodka, fill me up. I love the vodka. Now I got to put in the OJ. And here we go. Whoa! Will you just look at it? Will you just look at it? There's a lot more vodka than there is OJ. This screwdriver is great. It's a great screwdriver. Now, let's do a drink for Maui, Karen, Ann. Because we're going to take you guys on an expedition. We're going to put in coffee, Kahlua, Bailey's, and she said a dash of cream. Is that right, Mary Ann?
What?
Is that right? A dash of cream?
Yeah, Henry. That's right, Henry.
I didn't call you Henry.
You called me Marion.
I called you Maui Ann.
You did not.
I did too, Maui Ann.
You did not.
Who's Mary Ann? I don't even know Mary Ann.
You said Marion. You didn't say...
Mary Ann was with Robin Hood, I remember.
Oh, please.
It was Robin Hood and Marion, I remember.
I'm going to take that drink away from you.
I'm going to give you garnish. Look, she got M&M's for garnish. M&M's for garnish. Okay, Karen, there you go.
Thank you.
So here we are, enjoying our screwdrivers and our whatever, whatchamacallit, iced coffees with all that kind of stuff in it. I also put some brandy, rum, and tequila, and Everclear alcohol in it.
You did not.
I did not.
You did not.
I tell stories. Man, it's getting hot out here.
Well,
Anyhow.
we're on our back lanai.
Yeah, we're on our back lanai.
Yeah.
Wishing we were back in Maui, but we got the shade coming down in case you hear that noise. So anyhow, all this YouTube stuff, sometimes it gets to you, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes you just love life, and sometimes it's better. But,
And sometimes it's not.
and sometimes it's not. You have your up days and your down days.
Yep.
And today for us is an up day because we're just going to sit out here and enjoy our cocktails and wishing all you guys out there a pleasant day.
And my hat.
And oh, Karen Ann made this hat. Maui Karen Ann.
Oh, I put
She's
the
got
crystals.
Swarovski crystals on there and it's all decorated. What did you think of that, folks? All right, well, it's been a pleasure with you and we'll see you all soon.
Aloha.
Aloha. Oh, don't forget, get a vaccine, call your mama. And don't fly Delta.